Next up tonight, another dual box break of NXT 2018. Random pack again. BJ Armstrong came from Iowa? Huh. Know that. Jules, I can't get over when you hold the packs like this. It's just Adam Cole's. All right, Dream. Oh, that's a Lorgan, Only Lorgan plate. Hulk with your #1 pack and Cassius Ohno. Ciampa. How long is Ciampa out? Like forever. It's gonna be out for years. We gotta know about dodge the Ono. Oh, he's back again. Tim H. Peyton Royce. Yeah, she's good. What was her character? Was she like a... What's that? Poison Ivy or something?
Like the Batman villain?
Yeah.
Villainous?
I didn't know she had a flower and stuff. And she has like a viney top on. Shark Stitch, #3. Oni Lorcan. Lorcan. So I thought that was a G this whole time. Oni Lorcan. That's Mikey when he eats a protein bar for breakfast and then after the shower. He's like, I can already see my muscles getting bigger. Protein. Tim H #4. Yeah?
Yes.
Already lost track 3 in. Akam. Larkin, man.
Is his finishing move Akam's razor?
It might be.
A huge blown opportunity if not.
5. Tim H again. Oh, the Dream. Velveteen Dream. That's Ryan when Jules tells him to get ready to go out and he comes out of the bedroom like that at first. Can I wear this? Six UCCF. Bonani. Oh God, I love Ember Moon. Oh, Trent 7. What are the Mustache Mountain? They're fun. Seven. Tim H. Gotta get Tim H a good one up here. Oh wait, he got Velveteen Dream. I can't remember already. That's Fabian Blue. Oh, to 50. Dang, Ember Moon to 99. Nice one. UCCF #8. Oh, Kyrie, I love her. Jeez. In Ryan's face. Nikki Cross, Relic Auto. Dang, Ryan. And a No Way Jose to 50. No way. Just Nikki Cross hits everywhere except for Ryan's.
Yeah, we've gotten 3 of them in 3 boxes.
Loche, number 9. Loche's like, I'm gonna get a hit. This will have no hit. Gonna get a hit in this. That's a Tommy defeats old Roderick Strong to 50. Oh, not bad. Billy Kay to 99. Buddy Murphy. Jules, number 10. Who do you think, Jules? Guess. Jules' guess is... It's going to be her. Queen of Spades or whatever she is. Oh, good one, Jules. Alistair Black. He used to wrestle. Remember when he was a wrestler? It's cool. Lacey Evans. It's a smart choice, Dollar Billy. It's fun. Oh, this is a weird one. Team Bliss number 11. Oh, Ryan, you lucked out. Rod Strong. Yes. The People's Champ. All right. King of Bros. I wish King of Bros was in here. 12, Kyrie Sane.
Looks like a cut rate karate instructor in this.
Oh, Tommaso Ciampa. Nice one, Mikey. I think he's the best. Freaking rules. Jules, number 13. Bob Roode putting a headlock on somebody. Shinsuke. Now they're the same card. And more Bobby Roode. Oh my God. Jules. You got it. Triple H and William Regal. Dual auto. You guys were just talking about that. Holy crap. This is pack 13, right?
Yeah.
Dang. That's amazing. Well, Ryan, it's going to Ryan's house. That's better than not going to Ryan's house.
Yeah, is Missouri one of the marital property state? Is that half Ryan's? Or?
Dang. More Bobby Roodes. How many Bobby Roodes? Every card is Bobby Roode. Shark Sitch, 14. There's a blue TM61 defeat the Revival. Dang, this box rules. Gargano to 50 now. Nice one, Shark Sitch. Nice abs, Johnny. Uh, 15 Sharks. Shark Sitch thought he was getting nothing after that. Lars. Oh, you got Sabatelli'd. That's to 25. Tino. Tino. Telly. Tim H 16.
He was
I don't even know.
sabotaged.
Ah, what is this? Dang, Akam Relic Auto and Adam Cole autograph. NXT rules.
Yeah, it's
Why
weird
is this
that
stuff so crap? Nobody wants this stuff. For this price, it's great. Jeez.
It's twice in this break now we've had the Relic Auto and a bonus autograph in the same pack.
UCCF 17. Another Billy Kay to 99. Oh man. Tellied. Tino Sabatelli, 4 per box. Tops is like, should we do spacers every 4 packs or Tino Sabatelli autos? Let's go with the Sabatellis. Shark Stitch 19.
They got a big stack of them here.
Oh my god, more Sabatelli blue. And Nick Miller. I don't know who Nick Miller is. He looks nice.
Talk about an electrifying wrestling name.
Yeah.
Nick Miller. Now there's a character I can get behind.
Never heard of him. Yeah. Shisono, Bobby Fish. Where's the Leo Rush autographs? Oh, dang. Dean Ambrose. Shark Stitch. Some good names in this stuff. NXT called up. He retired from wrestling. John Moxley.